Listen up. The world of fitness is evolving faster than ever before, and it's time to pay attention. We're standing at the edge of a revolution, one that's changing not just how we work out, but how we think about our bodies, our health, and our potential. The world of fitness is changing right before our eyes. Technology is weaving itself into every aspect of our daily routines, from the way we move to the way we recover. It's not just about lifting weights or running laps anymore. It's about harnessing the power of data, science, and innovation to unlock a new level of personal achievement. For years, we've relied on generic plans and willpower, often feeling lost. We've all been there, trying to follow cookie-cutter routines, wondering why progress stalls or why motivation fades. The truth is, what works for one person might not work for another. Our bodies are unique, and our fitness journeys should be too. But what if your fitness plan was built just for you, by technology that knows your body better than you do? Imagine a system that learns from your habits, your strengths, and even your setbacks, and then crafts a plan that fits your life perfectly. No more guesswork, no more frustration, just results that feel tailor-made. This isn't science fiction. It's happening now, thanks to artificial intelligence. AI is transforming the fitness landscape, making it possible to analyze your data in real time and deliver insights that were once unimaginable. It's like having a personal coach, nutritionist, and motivator, all in your pocket. Imagine a routine that adapts to your energy, your needs, and your goals in real time. No more guessing. No more one-size-fits-all. Your workouts can now adjust on the fly. Whether you're feeling strong or need to take it easy, your plan evolves with you every single day. The future is about precision and personalization. With every heartbeat, every step, and every rep, your devices are learning more about you, helping you make smarter choices and reach your goals faster than ever before. With AI, you unlock your true potential, using tools once reserved for elite athletes. Now, anyone can access the kind of insights and guidance that used to be available only to professionals. Whether you're training for a marathon or just trying to feel your best, AI levels the playing field. This tech is in your hand, on your wrist, and ready to guide you. It's more than just numbers. It's about understanding your body, tracking your progress, and celebrating every milestone along the way. It's time to see technology as your greatest ally in building your healthiest self. Embrace the possibilities, and let innovation empower you to break through barriers you never thought possible. Get ready to discover how AI will transform your fitness journey. From personalized workouts to smarter recovery, the future is bright, and it's designed just for you. This is your practical guide to upgrading your health. We'll show you how to use these powerful tools, make sense of your data, and turn information into action. The future is here, and it's personal. Let's get to work, and let's make this your healthiest chapter yet. Let's cut through the noise and get real about what AI actually means for your fitness journey. There's a lot of hype, but at its core, AI is simply technology that learns from your habits, adapts to your needs, and helps you make smarter choices, faster than you ever could alone. Think of AI in fitness as your ultra-intelligent workout partner. It's always paying attention, analyzing your stats, and making sense of all those numbers, steps, heart rate, calories burned, so you don't have to. It's like having a coach in your pocket, one that never gets tired or distracted. AI isn't here to replace your motivation or your hard work. Instead, it's here to amplify your efforts, giving you the tools and insights to take control of your health like never before. Every step you take, every heartbeat you log, every calorie you track, AI is quietly learning from it all. It's constantly updating, getting smarter, and personalizing your experience. It finds patterns and trends you might never notice on your own, turning what looks like random data into real, actionable advice. Suddenly, your numbers start to tell a story, your story. Imagine having a team of expert scientists and coaches all focused on you, studying your progress 24/7. That's the power of AI. Always on, always learning, always working for your goals. AI-powered apps can spot when you perform better after a good night's sleep, or when certain meals give you more energy. It connects the dots between your lifestyle and your results. It's not just about counting reps or tracking calories. AI gives you feedback that actually matters. Insights you can use to improve, adapt, and grow stronger. By analyzing your progress and simplifying complex data, AI takes the guesswork out of your fitness journey. You'll know exactly what to do next and why it matters. You get real proof that your efforts are paying off, and a clear, personalized path forward. No more second-guessing or wondering if you're on the right track. This is about empowering you to make informed decisions about your body, your health, and your future. With AI, you're in the driver's seat. Simple, powerful, and available right now. AI in fitness isn't just the future. It's here, ready to help you become your best self, starting today. Think of a great personal trainer, someone who's always there, watching your form, adjusting your plan, and pushing you to reach your best. They know when to encourage you, when to challenge you, and when to help you avoid injury. Their expertise is tailored to you, making every session feel personal and motivating. Now, imagine having that level of attention and expertise, not just at the gym, but anytime, anywhere you want to work out. That's the promise of your AI coach, always available, always focused on you, whether you're at home, outside, or traveling. Using your phone's camera or built-in sensors, AI can analyze your movements in real time, tracking your posture, your pace, and even your breathing. It's like having a set of expert eyes on you, every single rep. The AI gives you instant feedback, correcting your form, suggesting adjustments, and helping you prevent injury before it happens. It's there to maximize your results, making sure every movement counts. If you're crushing your push-ups, the AI will notice and challenge you to go further, keeping you motivated and engaged. It celebrates your progress and pushes you to new heights. Struggling with running or feeling tired, the AI adapts your plan on the fly, offering encouragement or dialing back the intensity so you can keep moving forward without burning out. Your workouts evolve as you do, always challenging, never overwhelming. The AI learns from your progress, making each session just right for your current level and goals. This isn't a generic one-size-fits-all program. It's your program, built around your unique goals, your schedule, and your lifestyle. You're in control, with the AI as your guide. Whether you have just 15 minutes or a full hour, the AI creates the perfect routine for you on the spot. No more wasted time or guesswork, just efficient, effective workouts. Every session is a chance for the AI to learn more about you, analyzing your performance, tracking your improvements, and refining your plan for next time. It's your coach, your spotter, and your planner, all in one smart, always-on assistant. Take control of your fitness journey with the smartest tool available, one that grows with you and keeps you accountable. Personalized, adaptive, and always there when you need it, your AI coach is ready to help you succeed. The AI coach is your edge in fitness. Are you ready to level up and unlock your full potential? True health goes beyond the gym. It's about sleep, stress, nutrition, and mindset. AI connects all these dots, giving you a 360-degree view of your wellness. Smart devices track your sleep cycles, showing how deep rest impacts your performance. AI can reveal that better sleep means better workouts. It monitors stress through heart rate variability, alerting you when you need a break. Guided breathing or meditation sessions are just a tap away. Nutrition? Snap a photo of your meal, and AI estimates nutrients and offers suggestions. It might recommend more protein or hydration based on your goals. By integrating all this data, AI empowers you to make small changes for big results. Your health is an ecosystem. AI helps you optimize every part. It's holistic, actionable, and always learning. Wellness isn't a mystery anymore. With AI, you're in control. Progress can be hard to see day to day, but AI makes it visible. It turns your journey into clear charts and graphs, showing your hard work paying off. After a run, see your pace, heart rate, and improvements over time. Even if the scale doesn't move, AI uncovers hidden victories, like a lower heart rate or better sleep. Set smarter, achievable goals based on your own data. AI breaks big goals into small, manageable steps, building momentum and confidence. Data becomes your personal success story. On tough days, look back and see how far you've come. Every effort counts, and AI proves it. Consistency is key, and now you have the evidence. Your progress is real. AI shows you every step. Biohacking sounds intense, but it's just making small changes for big health gains. AI is the ultimate biohacking tool, giving you personalized data to optimize your body. Use a glucose monitor with AI to see how foods affect your energy. Discover what works for your unique metabolism, not just generic advice. AI can connect to smart home devices, like lights that dim to help you sleep better. It learns your habits and automates healthy routines. Move beyond basic fitness. Optimize your whole life. Experiment with new habits and let AI show you what works. This is total human optimization, made simple. The future of wellness is here, and it's accessible to you. Motivation isn't constant, but AI can help keep you going. Modern fitness apps use AI to deliver encouragement right when you need it. Missed a workout? Get a gentle nudge. Hit a milestone? Celebrate with virtual fireworks. AI creates community. Join group challenges, see leaderboards, and stay accountable. Friendly competition and social features keep you engaged. The AI learns what motivates you, charts, badges, or rewards, and personalizes your experience. It's your tireless supporter, always ready to boost your drive. On low energy days, your AI cheerleader is there to get you moving. Every win is celebrated, every effort recognized. You're never alone on your journey. AI keeps you inspired and consistent. Let it cheer you on. Ready to start? It's easier than you think. You don't need fancy gear, just your smartphone. Explore your app store for fitness or wellness apps. Pick one or two with personalized plans or AI coaching. Many offer free trials. Test them out. If you want, add a basic fitness tracker or smartwatch. Even entry-level devices track steps, heart rate, and sleep. Sync your device with your app and let it collect data. Start simple, log a walk, try a short workout, or track your sleep. Build the habit of using the tech. Don't worry about every feature. As you get comfortable, explore more advanced options. The key is to start, no matter how small. Every transformation begins with one step. Take yours today. We've covered how AI is transforming fitness, right now, for everyone. It's your coach, wellness monitor, data analyst, and cheerleader in one. No more guesswork, just a clear, personalized path to your best self. This isn't a crutch, it's a catalyst. You still have to show up and put in the work, but AI makes every effort count more. You become the architect of your own health. Don't fear the tech, embrace it as your ally. Personalization and insight are now at your fingertips. Your journey doesn't have to be confusing or lonely. Take the first step, download an app, try a workout, track your sleep. Make the decision to explore what AI can do for you. The future is here, and your potential is limitless. Let's go.
This is going to blow your mind. Want to be part of the fun? Smash that like button. Hit subscribe and ring the bell for notifications. Drop a comment below. We love hearing from you. Don't miss out on exclusive content and all the good vibes. Join us now.